Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible camera features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you want to get the most out for your new device's camera, this complete guide will walk you through all the settings and tips you need. Let's get started. First, let's quickly go over to the main features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera. This model comes with a powerful triple camera system, including a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. It also includes advanced features like ProRes video recording and improved night mode. To access the camera settings, open the camera app and tap on the small arrow at the top of the screen or swipe up. This will bring up the camera settings menu where you can adjust various options. Now let's go through some settings and features one by one. Resolution and formats. To change the resolution and format for your photos, you can simply tap on here and choose whether you want a high efficiency for smaller sizes and most compatible for broader compatibility. iPhone 15 Pro Max supports Apple ProRAW and ProRes formats. To enable ProRAW, go to Settings and then on Camera. And here you can choose Enable ProRAW to capture photos with more editing flexibility. And for video, you can record in ProRes by going to Settings, Camera, and then Record Video. Now for better composition, you can enable the grid feature. Here, tap on grid and simply enable the toggle on. Night mode is automatically enabled in low light condition. You can adjust the exposure time by tapping the night mode icon in the camera app and using the slider to set the exposure time manually. Now let's talk about cinematic mode. For videos, you can use cinematic mode. For professional looking footage with shallow depth of field. To enable this, open the camera app and swipe to video mode and tap on cinematic to start recording. In portrait mode, you can just adjust the lighting effect by tapping on the F icon. You can choose from different lighting options like natural light, studio light, contour, stage to enhance your portrait shots. And here are a few tips to get the most out of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Always clean your camera lens to avoid blurry photos. Use a soft, lint-free cloth for cleaning. For steady shots and improved low light photography, consider using a tripod. And that's a wrap on our complete camera guide for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. With these settings and tips, you'll be able to make the most of your phone's amazing camera capability.